Samsung didn't announce it, they didn't hype it, but they quietly locked in one of the biggest upgrades the Galaxy A series has seen in years, and it's thinner, faster, and smoother than anyone expected. Samsung is getting ready to launch a brand new mid-range star, the Galaxy A57, and it has already appeared on China's MIT certification platform with the model number SMA5760. And thanks to that listing, we now know most of the phone's core specs before Samsung makes it official. The Galaxy A57 will feature a 6.6-inch display, slightly smaller than before, but still paired with a Full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz OLED panel. So yes, scrolling, gaming, and everyday use should feel faster and more fluid than ever. Under the hood, Samsung is upgrading the performance with the new Exynos 1680 chipset, replacing the older Exynos 1580. This chip has already shown up in Geekbench listings, which pretty much confirms it's the real deal. Expect better speed, improved efficiency, and smoother multitasking. On the camera side, things stay mostly familiar, which isn't a bad thing. Meanwhile, the battery remains a solid 5,000 milliamp hours, but with 45-watt fast charging, so less time plugged in and more time actually using your phone. Now let's talk design, because this is where Samsung is clearly stepping things up. The Galaxy A57 is much slimmer, coming in at just 6.9 millimeters thick, compared to the Galaxy A56's 7.4 millimeters. It's also lighter, weighing around 182 grams, which is about 16 grams less than its predecessor. That might not sound huge on paper, but in the hand, it makes a real difference. Samsung is also expected to use a premium metal frame with a glass back, giving the A57 a more flagship-inspired look and feel. This doesn't feel like a basic refresh. It feels like Samsung is taking the A series seriously. And according to a new case leak, Samsung isn't changing its overall design language for 2026. Just like the Galaxy S26 series, the Galaxy A37 and A57 are sticking with a raised camera island. The camera bump on the A57 looks slightly larger than the A56's, suggesting a more refined and premium finish rather than a complete redesign. So yeah, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be way more than just another mid-range phone. A slimmer body, a new chipset, smoother visuals, and a more premium design all point to a serious contender in Samsung's 2026 lineup. If you don't want to miss more leaks, early details, and Samsung updates before everyone else, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below. Is the Galaxy A57 worth the upgrade, or should Samsung have done more? I'll catch you in the next one.